Welcome back to Altitude University. Hunter here, and in this video I simply just want to pop my drone up, show you what a flight is like in the field with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. There's some surfers down below, so I just want to get a few cool shots and show you exactly how I'm getting it. Let's jump right into this video. So first off, I'm gonna take off the drone in my hand. So what I'm gonna do is actually set my controller right here, have the drone up out in front of me, just like this, and I'm gonna take off my drone by sliding here, and we're ready to rock. There we go. And I'm just gonna pop it straight out there. And I'm gonna just take it right out, straight ahead. I got visual line of sight of the drone the whole time. You always wanna make sure you have visual line of sight for safety. And let's jump right into the shots we're gonna get here. So I'm just pushing forward right now. And right here, I'm just gonna get a nice establishing shot of the beach. So my aperture, I'm gonna bring down to f5 right there so that it's nice and perfectly exposed. And I'm gonna press record and let's see what we get. So I'm gonna push forward and tilt the camera down, just like that. It's one of my favorite movements right there. Push forward and tilt down. So I get a really cool establishing shot of the scene, and I'm just gonna work around from there. So that's my first shot. Second one, I'm gonna focus in right here and do the same exact thing, but I'm actually gonna do the opposite. So I'm gonna start down and I'm gonna push the camera up. So I'm getting multiple movements here, just like that. So pushing forward and panning the camera up, nice and smooth. Very smooth movements are the key to your drone shots. You don't want anything shaky. If you're moving around like this, up and down, left and right, it's not gonna look good. Just keep everything really smooth and steady. Shot three, I'm gonna tilt to the left while I'm moving to the right and pan the camera down. So three movements. I'm moving to the right and I'm panning the camera down at the same time right there. You can see with the surfers on the waves, it looks really cool, just like that. Kind of revealing the shore while the surfers are going right there. Amazing. And then you can see as we get out a little further here, you can really see the shoreline and see exactly what we're working with here. You can see this amazing view. So I kind of want to get that same shot again, actually, now that I kind of see what we're working with. I'm going to do the same exact type of movement. So I'm going to show the shoreline with the surfers here, just like that. So I'm going to be panning to the right, moving my drone to the right while I'm tilting the camera. So I can tilt the camera up or down. I'm gonna actually tilt it up this time instead of down, revealing the coastline with the surfers, just like that. Very cool. You get a really good perspective of the scene where we're at, and also we see the subjects, we see the surfers there, so that captures your attention, captures your eye. And I'm gonna get a really good establishing shot here, so I'm gonna move back so I have some room to work with. And what I'm gonna do is push forward and pan the camera up right here, kind of revealing the entire scene. So I'm gonna record, and here we go. I'm gonna pan the camera up while pushing forward, just like that. You see the surfers right there in the distance, and you also see the shore. So nice, smooth, slow movement, just like that. Slow and steady is the key to amazing drone shots. Keep it smooth, keep it steady, easy, just like that. Now that we're right here by the surfers, I'm actually gonna raise my aperture. So you see that the F number goes up and it makes it brighter. And what I'm gonna do is get a top down of the surfers. So it's gonna be a really cool perspective. Let's see, the lighting might be a little tough since the sun is right above. You don't want those harsh highlights, so I might cheat it a bit to get rid of those and do it about right here. That's way better exposure. There we go, like this, and I'm just gonna circle. So I'm not moving the camera at all. I'm just circling to the right, just like this. So let's see if we can get a surfer catching a wave. That would be a great shot. I think we're just gonna get one more shot after this, bring the drone in. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to pop your drone up when you're in a new location. As long as you're legally able to fly in that location, just pop the drone up and have some fun. I just showed you a few shots I got, so let's get a few more here, showing the surfers hanging here. I'm gonna do the same thing and reverse it. So I'm gonna go to the left this time. I'm gonna go here, there we go, guy caught a wave, let's follow him in. Nice, very cool. Right there. All I'm doing is pushing forward and panning to the left, not moving the camera at all. just like that. Keeping a good distance above the surfers too, so I'm not interfering with them at all. We want to just let them do their thing. So one more here, I'm going to do a crane shot. So I'm going to put it low, and then I'm going to just go straight down, so you see the height is going down, and I'm panning up. This gives a really cool perspective. Right there, just panning up. It's called a crane shot. Right there, the height's going down, and I'm bringing the camera up, just like that. Awesome, so let's bring our drone back now. Our battery, that was about, 5-10 minutes of flying, nothing too crazy. Pretty easy, just got a few cool shots. And in the next video, what I'm gonna do is actually bring all of these clips back and edit it right from my phone. So stay tuned for that. And let's get our drone back here. So to land, what I'm gonna do is put the drone in sport mode to disable obstacle avoidance. And then I'm just gonna bring it right up to my hand, nice and slow. Right here, nice and slow. And then stop it, put your hand out, and then hold down on the landing right there, and it'll stop just like that, right in your hand. So I hope you learned a thing or two from this video, and I hope it inspired you just to get your drone out and get some cool shots, super easy. Put it up 5-10 minutes, got some awesome shots. Can't wait for you guys to see what we come up with in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about unlocking your drone's full potential and becoming a confident drone pilot, then be sure to check out our course 14-Day Drone Pilot Pro. It's a speed learning program for beginners teaching aerial photography and video editing, and our students are absolutely loving it. I'll link it in the description below. Make sure to click that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.